First decent bass of the day. Little man there. Let me get him off. Here, grab his mouth. Hold on to him tight, man, because he's still got the hook in him. Got him? What do you think? Looking good. He just had a sailfish there. You still got on there?
Well, I tried to set the hook there.
I know. I'm just messing with you.
Oh, he's there. Oh, God.
Yep.
Hold on, let him.
Little man netter.
Trying to set the hook.
You did.
I mean, I just tried to set it. I haven't been setting the hook. I set the hook.
You said it. It came flying out of the water. Heck yeah, man. Who caught it? Huh? Who caught it? The guy that's got the bait in the water.